Hello, I'm Terry Waterhouse, proud principal at Winship Middle School. I'm honored to get to work at a middle school that puts students first. I've been at Winship Middle School for 4 years now, and I've been afforded the opportunity to work with our amazing staff to enhance our course offerings, to create schedules that support students during these formative years, and to build a really kind and positive school environment. We all wish we could be together and show you our school and introduce ourselves in person. But in lieu of that, I created a virtual walkthrough of our school program and course offerings. Please join me as I show you around.
Welcome to Winship Middle School, home of the Vikings.
As you are a new student to Winship, we would like to give you a tour of our beautiful campus that is surrounded by towering redwoods.
This is our administration building. If you are running late, need to see the nurse, or get called to the office, this is where you would go.
Behind the administration building is the B building. This is where you will find the computer lab and our audio-video lab.
Here is the D building. It has classrooms and the restrooms are on either side of the building. Behind the building are a greenhouse and garden area for our FFA classes.
The F building is here, which also has classrooms, including our one and only Humboldt County Middle School FFA class.
Our 6th grade classes are here in the H buildings.
Across from our F building is the gym. This is where we have our PE classes, award ceremonies, and our Winship Viking basketball games. Behind the gym is where you'll find our sports fields.
Next to the gym is the music building. If you're in choir or band, this is where you will learn and practice.
Next to the music building is our cafeteria multi-purpose room. This is where you'll get your lunch. It is also where you'll see our music, performances, and presentations.
Thank you, and we hope you enjoyed the tour.
An important initiative here at Winship Middle School is AVID. AVID is a school-wide commitment to support students with college and career preparedness. It emphasizes writing, note-taking, organization, and research. Most of our staff have had very specific training in these research-based instructional strategies. We believe strongly in the need for students to explore college and career options to help them connect their educational path with their own personal goals. Another initiative at Winship Middle School is our Ag Science program. Winship Middle School is one of the only middle school ag science programs in the North State. All 8th graders take ag science at Winship. Agricultural education prepares students for successful careers and a lifetime of informed choices in the global agriculture, food, fiber, and natural resource systems. It also affords those students who are interested to participate in our high school FFA program as Explore members. FFA's motto is learning to do, doing to learn, and learning to live, and living to serve. We have especially designed our 6th grade program to help students as they transition to middle school. Our 6th grade classes are self-contained, meaning that students remain with the same teacher for the majority of the day. Students may rotate for math and science. 6th graders have their own break and lunch schedule, and they participate in rotating electives like art, music, and technology. Let's hear more about our sixth grade program from Emily Lancaster, our sixth grade lead teacher.
Hello, my name is Emily Lancaster, and I'm representing our sixth grade teaching team. Our sixth grade program at Winship is specifically designed to support students as they transition to middle school. My colleagues and I value the opportunity to work with our students on the lifelong skills of organization, public speaking, teamwork, and much more that will set them up for success at middle school and beyond. We have a new rigorous language arts program called Amplify that helps improve students' reading, writing, and comprehension skills through highly engaging topics. We use CPM, or College Preparatory Math Curriculum, to work with students to develop their math skills to be ready for the demands of middle and high school math. But most importantly, we support your students' emotional and social well-being so they can flourish into their best selves and become part of our Winship community.
We continue to work on improving our elective program for our 7th and 8th grade students here at Winship Middle School. We offer a variety of courses in art, music, technology, and Spanish. Let's hear from Miss Brown, our art teacher, talking about our art program.
Hello, I'm Miss Brown, and this is the art class. We do so many different types of art projects in my class, from 2D, drawing, and painting to 3D. There's all sorts of different kinds of art for all sorts of different kinds of artists at all different levels. Let me show you some of what we might work on this year. We do marbling together, so that's actually making your own custom paper, just like this, and then turning it into your very own sketchbook. We'll be filling in your sketchbook through the course of the year with all sorts of drawings. Oh, mine's fallen out. As you learn how to draw all sorts of different kinds of 3D things. You can also make different kinds of books. We'll be doing some bookbinding together. There's an accordion book like this. There's a flip book if you're interested in animation. We learn, of course, how to do the color wheel. And here's one of the more advanced color wheels we do with my really advanced students. We learn how to do some graffiti writing together if you're into lettering. And I love abstract work. So we'll do all sorts of different kinds of abstract projects. We learn how to use watercolor, both realistically and just for fun, kind of being whimsical with it. We learn how to do tempera paint in order to create 3D landscapes. We also learn about the elements of art, so that's line, space, form, color, texture, shape. I knew I forgot one. And so this one uses space and value to create that sense of perspective. And there's, if we're really on top of it, there's some advanced painting projects that we can get into. But I always feel it out class by class. Are we into painting this year, or are we maybe more into the 3D stuff? Let's check some of that out. So if you're not that interested in drawing or things like that, then you might be really into the 3D stuff. Of course, we have to learn how to do origami together, and we'll do some abstract sculptures with painting skills put in there. Every year we do a house sculpture project, and this is always a huge hit. Everyone loves making the houses. I do that one every single year because it's always such a hit. There's one more. Just got a cardboard and glue and paint. Make some really creative stuff. We also learn how to do paper mache, and there's all sorts of paper mache projects. We can make masks, people, or even animals out of paper mache. This year, for the very first time, we learned how to sew. We actually sewed masks for ourselves. That weaving is a really fun project. And this is a hanging mobile project. So if you're in my class, you won't get to do every single one of those because we won't have enough time together. But the good news is I rotate my projects enough that if you take me year after year, we'll probably have different projects going every year to keep it fun and keep it lively. If you feel like I'm just not good at art, you know what? This class is perfect for you. This class is for beginners, intermediate, and advanced. If you don't know how to draw yet, that doesn't mean you shouldn't be in art. That actually means you should be in art because guess what? I'm going to teach you how to draw. If you don't know how to paint, I'm going to teach you how to paint. And we're going to have a lot of fun together expressing yourself, and you get to take home some cool, fun objects at the end of the year. I hope to see you in my art class.
Next up, let's hear from our music teacher, Miss Joanne. Miss Joanne teaches a variety of music classes that I'm sure you'll find interesting.
Hello, future Winship families. My name is Lisa Joanne, and I teach music here at Winship. I want to let you know just a couple things about our program. We offer band, orchestra, and choir here. So what that means is for our band students, we have woodwinds, brass, and percussion. And then for orchestra, we have the full complement of orchestra instruments, violin, viola, cello, and bass. And for anybody out there who likes to sing, we have choir available for you. I really hope that when it's safe to, when you're able to come by and visit our music room. We have 2 big rooms in this building. One is dedicated just to instruments, and we make a lot of noise in there, when we're back into, regular times. And then I'm currently in the choir room. We have our choir risers set up, our piano. We have a space to sit when it's time for us to be doing theory and things like that. And you can actually kind of see behind me, we have a big Disney written on the, well, you can sort of see it. We have a big Disney written on the wall, and that is actually from our Advisory Wars from a couple years ago. I think it was from 2 years ago. Advisory Wars is just a really fun school-wide thing that we do in the spring where each advisory class picks a theme, decorates their room, and then they kind of compete against each other. So that's a really fun highlight that we have here at Winship too. If you have questions, if you're a current music student, or maybe you're just wanting to start a new instrument, or if you're a little curious about what music could be like, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is a part of this open house presentation. You can call, you can email. When it's safe to, feel free to come on by, and I really hope to meet you and to connect with you in the future. Thanks. Have a great evening.
Next up, let's hear about our Spanish program here at Winship Middle School. Spanish affords students the opportunity to take high school Spanish level 1 during their 8th grade year. Let's hear from Miss Magana about our Spanish program.
Bienvenidos a la clase de español con los Vikings de Winship. En la clase de español hacemos el arte y escuchamos música. Hacemos proyectos como las piñatas y el papel picado. También exploramos el mundo hispanohablante, como los países de Cuba, Argentina, Guatemala, Colombia y España. También tenemos fiestas para celebrar días como el Día de los Muertos, Carnaval y César Chávez. Jugamos los juegos, como los dados, las cartas, uno, lotería, diccionario y también al dominó. En la clase de español hablamos en español.
Hola Isel, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien, gracias Dylan.
¿Y tú? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Gino, ¿y tú?
Oh, me llamo Dylan. ¿Te gusta la clase de español?
Sí, me gusta la clase de español. Es una clase que es Muy épico. Ah, sí, tan épico. Bueno, chao. Chao.
Educational benefits include, but are not limited to, exposure to different cultures, making new friends, helping others, learning geography, expanding horizons, discovering art, understanding other languages, sharpening your memory, preparing for travel, increasing employment opportunity, and economic opportunities. And finally, completing Spanish Level 1 in the 8th grade allows students to take Level 2 as freshmen in high school, which can lead to more levels of high school Spanish, taking a trip to a Spanish-speaking country with your Spanish class, studying abroad, AP college credit, earning the Seal of Biliteracy Award, and speaking Spanish. So join us in La Clase de Español. Make art, have parties, explore the Spanish-speaking world, play games, and learn to speak another language.
We have technology electives, a leadership class, and we hope to launch our digital journalism class in the fall to produce the Viking News Network. Electives are dependent on staffing and student interest. That's why we ask our students to choose their top 3 choices.
Hello Vikings, my name is Coach Bobby, and I've been the athletic director here at Winship since it reopened back in 2013. So over the years, myself and staff here at Winship have worked hard to build up these athletic programs. This year, we really missed you guys. We really missed seeing our students here in the gym, going to tryouts, getting ready for games, and then so we have a lot of pride and support in our athletes. Next year, we're really hoping to bring back all of our athletic programs. So I want to tell you a little bit about what we're planning on offering once we come back to school. We open up the school year with soccer. We have 2 teams, which is a lower level, 6th, 7th grade, and then we have an upper level, 7th and 8th grade, that's a co-ed team. We also offer golf, which is available for all 3 grades and also co-ed. And we also have our girls volleyball teams. We have a 6th and 7th grade team, and then we have an 8th grade team. After that, we follow up with girls basketball. And we have 3 teams for girls basketball. We have a 6th grade team, a 7th grade team, and an 8th grade team. After that, we get into boys basketball, which also we have 3 teams with 6th, 7th, and 8th. During boys basketball, we also have cheerleading. Cheerleading has 2 squads. There's a JV squad and a varsity squad, and it's available for all students on campus. Now, towards the end of the school year, we offer track and wrestling, and both of them are available for 6th, 7th, and 8th grade students, and both of them are co-ed. And so, as I said before, we really missed you guys this year, so I'm really hoping that you guys come out for our athletic programs next year, and I hope to see you soon.
Thank you for joining me for Winship's virtual open house. I encourage you to check out our Back to School Night presentation posted on our school website. You can meet the teachers and read course outlines that are offered this school year. Please call our school office if you have any questions. We look forward to working with your family at Winship Middle School.